c'est quoi le mot de passe du Wi-Fi?
On n'a pas le Wi-Fi.
Ok, t'écris ça en un seul mot?
Ça n'a rien d'un mot de passe, chérie. On n'a pas Internet.
C'est officiel. Je vais mourir ici.
Je m'appelle Will Newman.
Vous ne devez pas vous approcher à moins de 2 mètres. Vous connaissez les règles. Laisse-moi deviner. T'es le genre de gars qui ignore les règles parce que t'as l'impression que c'est toi qui commandes. J'ai pas raison?
T'as pas tout à fait tort.
Je trouve ça sexy.
Et toi?
Every time the beat drop.
Time already. Me, I don't. How you feel? You can turn on the shit up. You can see the ass up on the mind of my fantasy. Hey,
nobody else sitting it like that. Before I die, I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home. Before I die, I'm tryna fuck you, baby.
I get the model girl tall, put that body on call. I took the honey on top, I put the money on top. I put the money on. That she falling in love. Says she feeling my G, she feeling my style, she loving my touch. Take it lower.
Oh no. Do you smell that? They're coming. Be gone, thoughts. Go away. I'm a man of God.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me?
Real hot girl shit.
Abusadamente.
Abusada.
Bom, 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 bom.
Sit up.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Every time the beat drop.
I can't help who I'm in.
Tenemos diálogo pendiente. Tú me la dejas y lo sabes. Conmigo ella se pierde. No le rinde cuenta, le gusta la gasolina. Dale más gasolina. Je me présente.
Say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my
Bitches turned into my fans, they watching my moves, yeah, do my dance. I'm a skinny little bitch, still shaking ass.
And ain't shit free, nigga, show me cash. Fuck a broke boy, I been had a bag. I come in first place, I never been last. A bitch act stupid, bitch get trashed. And ain't shit free, nigga, show me cash.
I think we got a winner. People want to dab it up, but they can't get none from it. I'm finna just snap it up, at least I had bum money. People wanna walk around me trying to steal my lingo. Just make sure when you talk about me, you say it's doing this thing though.
Задолбали. Нет, 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 да.
She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to